We have a little PR haul for everybody. And you know the drill. Our new thing is that in every PR haul, I will be giving back. There will be a bunch of goodies going to one of you. So make sure to watch until the end to see what you'll be winning and how to enter. I am so grateful. Patty loves Cove Soda. So I told her I will gift her some of these once we do the unboxing, but it's like a little house or a little shop. Anyway, I am so grateful to all of these brands. And of course, without you guys, none of this is possible. So that's why I will be putting together a little package for you. Okay, so this says, Canada, meet your frozen fave, now available at Costco Canada. Hey, Jessica, yes, the rumors are true. A brand new Cove Soda Costco pack is here. Introducing our new Frozen Faves Variety 24 pack, which comes with 8 of each: rainbow sherbet, pink slushy, and lemon sorbet. Ooh, I am obsessed with the packaging. A lemon sorbet and a pink slushy. Can't wait to try those. The packaging is so cute, amazing. So right now, for those of you who don't know, we are in my office, my downstairs office, which is a full suite. Like initially it was made to be a rental suite, but I use it as my office and it works perfectly for that. So the girls have their own fridge, they have cupboards, they have dishes down here. So I like to put little snackies and things, stock their fridge a bit for them. Syrah, orange vanilla swirl. Okay, I've heard amazing things about this. So Ashley, who works for me, has tried this. She said it's fantastic. So we have, first of all, an orange scrunchie. Then we have the orange vanilla swirl hydration. And then we have a glass bottle. We love Syrah. Syrah is also currently at Costco Canada, so make sure to check it out. If you didn't see my video, go see it where I talk all about the Costco pack. And they also sent a candle that was made exactly for their flavor from a local Newfoundland brand. They are Newfoundland based, in case you didn't know. Oh my gosh. Wood Wick. I love a candle. I love orange. I love orange and vanilla. I love orange in anything, like orange and chocolate, anything. What a beautiful, beautiful package. Thank you so much, Syrah. I am so excited. And little stickers. We're so excited to share orange vanilla swirl with you. It's the perfect mix of citrus and sweet. Thank you for all the energy you bring to Syrah. We appreciate you so much. Yeah, I love Syrah. I love it so much. Anyway, yeah, make sure you check out your local Costco because they have the single pack of the hydration electrolytes at Costco currently. So go check it out. Go grab it. You guys know I love a well thought out PR package. I love it so much. Glow with Pride. So every year, Glow Recipe does a Pride themed toner. How cool is this? Temporary tattoos. How cool. A little pin? What is this, a tote bag? Okay, love. I'm going to use that as a reusable bag in my car. I love a theme moment. I love a knick-knack. So this is the toner. Every year they come out with this Pride themed toner. This special edition artwork was proudly created by our very own Laura Lee Benjamin, an LGBTQ artist who has been part of the Glow Recipe family for nearly 9 years. So she did this artwork. Fantastic. We love it. Our Glow for Good social impact program is driven by our goal to inspire confidence, empower, and build a brighter future of self-care and self-love together. In celebration of Pride, we've designed this limited edition packaging to celebrate and support the LGBTQ community. Amazing. Thank you so much, Glow Recipe. Another one from Glow Recipe. This is their brand new cream. Now, my darling little Maddox, I call her Bunny Girl, Heather Arbarnard, her daughter, she did this unboxing, so she tried out the cream already, but I've heard amazing things about this. So this is the Watermelon Milk Peptide Glow Cushion Cream. I also heard this is not fragranced, which I think is fantastic. I know they have a lot of fragrance in their other items, so it's nice to have one that doesn't. Oh, how cute is this? How adorable. How adorable. I love this fragrance. I already have it. So they did a Ellis Brooklyn X Amiga dry shampoo. They did this with the Miami one as well. So this is Guava Granita. Let me just try this, okay? Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. I don't love their original Perk Up scent, but when they do these other collaborations. Oh, I see more. Stickers. Guys, what should I stick all my stickers to? I'll probably gift them to you guys, to be honest. Thank you so much, Amika, and all these brands. Okay, Nick sent me PR. So excited. I've never received PR from them. Are you just kidding me? Wow. These are so oh my gosh. So these are like a leak-proof boxer. And how did they know I love cheetah print? How did they know? How did they know? Canadian brand, female-founded brand. We love to see it. Oh, wow. Wow. This is the Uplift push-up bra because then I have the super leak-proof Dream Short. Also, I really love when brands let you pick what you would like because you know what you're going to wear most, right? So leak-proof little boy short moment. Okay, adorable. Adorable. And very high-waisted. So they had tons to pick from and these were my picks. Adele is putting together a great giveaway for you guys. This is your one and only scoop bra. This looks very comfortable. So this doesn't have any wires. This also doesn't have any wires. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, Nyx. I'm so excited to try all these out, and we are going to show you what you could win in today's video. Okay, one of you will win this whole box of skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, coffee, you name it. One of you is winning all of this. Check out the caption for how to enter, and I will see you in my next ER haul. Bye.